Well, Walmart pickup. Getting my New Year's Eve stuff. I have a Christmas party tomorrow and I didn't want to traverse the stores, so I put this order in early in the week, getting all my fresh fruits and veggies. Here we go. On my way home from pickup, I had to fill up my coffee at Panera. It's a must. Nothing a little coffee couldn't fix. First sip of the day. I went early in the morning because I wanted to beat the crowd. I haven't gotten ready for the day. I haven't showered, obviously, but we're gonna go through what I got at Walmart, and the price of everything will pop up on the screen. So let's go. So I'm gonna start with stuff that I specifically got for New Year's Eve. Obviously sparkling cider. Me and my kids and my husband will all cheers at midnight. We are letting all of our kids stay up. They all finally sleep in, so we can handle a little bit of a late night. I got this to surprise my son and husband. They both love this kind of stuff. I don't like it at all, but we have a lot of crackers and charcuterie bits and pieces left from the Christmas time, so I just knew they'd like adding this. This was Mom's pick for New Year's Eve. I love mozzarella sticks. I bought the 45 pack and we'll air fry these. We have just some Aldi marinara that we'll have them with. All of my kids got to pick one snack that they wanted to add to the New Year's Eve snacking. We're getting pizza, but we're gonna have fruits, veggies, but my son added Chex Mix. This was his pick. I think he's picked this the last couple of years. He thinks of it as a New Year's Eve snack, but yum. My older daughter Mila picked the Flamin' Hot chips. She got the barbecue flavor, and then my Elsie picked Ruffle potato chips. So unfortunately they substituted the waves for these, but instead of one bag, they gave us two, and all of my kids apparently have the crunch love just like me. I also got spinach and artichoke dip. We have French onion dip from Aldi still for the chips, but I also just thought that would be really good and something that I'll eat throughout the week. My mom got this at Christmas and I loved it. Obviously this is for New Year's Eve. We have an Aldi New Year's Eve pack we've used for a few years, but obviously we don't want to keep the blowers every year. So I got these. My kids still will enjoy them, especially my 6-year-old son. Heck, I will too. Moving on, we have a family Christmas tomorrow. This is actually the driver for me getting a grocery haul this weekend, as I wanted my produce as fresh as possible because I'm bringing a fruit and veggie tray. I have cream cheese and brown sugar to make the cream cheese dip. Everyone really liked that at Thanksgiving. I have apples I'm gonna cut up, and it's really good dipped in this. It's basically a soft block of cream cheese, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 3/4 cup brown sugar. You mix it together, it's really yummy. Broccoli cauliflower medley, I'm just making it easy for myself. I can just dump it into my Tupperware container, very simple. All of the veggies will have ranch in the middle as the dip. So I got strawberries and watermelon for the fruit because my cousin's son, I think he's 4, he asked me at Thanksgiving why I didn't have his favorite fruits of strawberries and watermelon, so I couldn't let him down. Milo, these are for you. So I got both of those. It's not obviously the season for either of them, which is why I didn't have him at Thanksgiving, but I'm hoping he'll be delighted. I got tomatoes to put in the veggie tray, the carrot chips for the veggie tray. Celery I need to make stuffing next week, but I'll probably also just cut some up for the veggie tray. It was just an easy addition. And I also got blueberries. I tried ordering just one large container of blueberries and they substituted it for 2 pints, no big deal to me. But this is again for our final family Christmas on January 1st. It's a great start to the year. It's been the same day my grandparents do their Christmas since I can remember. So I always look forward to it, and that's my contribution. And finally, since I'm at Walmart, I always try to get things that I can't get at Aldi or that I know I need before I'm gonna get to Aldi again. So I got salt pork because I've been trying to make old-fashioned noodle soup. Aldi doesn't sell salt pork, and Walmart kept being out of stock. They finally had it, so we'll have that this week. I also bought this gel food coloring. I thought these were just the liquid food coloring. I didn't read the description. I just looked at the picture. My fault, but the colors are really pretty. Another thing that I got the wrong thing of, I had been looking at the Better Than Bouillon not chicken base, and I thought that's the one I put in the cart, but I went back and I looked and I put the roasted chicken. So I wanted the one that was not chicken, so it's like chicken flavored, but it's vegetarian still because I do have a vegetarian daughter. Even though this isn't the one that I wanted, I still will use this because I still use chicken broth in a lot of, I still use chicken broth in meat dishes, so I'm sure it'll get used. It's just not the one that I wanted. But I love Better Than Bouillon brand, and I can't get it at Aldi. Another thing that I can't get at Aldi is hoisin sauce. I actually generally buy this at an Asian grocer and restaurant that we have locally, but I'm not going to be out that way for a while, and I wanted this week. So I got it at Walmart. I like this hoisin sauce. It's a great base for making different sauces for Asian dishes. I also got Reese's Pieces because we are making peanut butter ice cream this week, and I wanted this to be a mix-in. We have a Ninja Creamy. It's actually right here. You make pints of ice cream and then you can do mix-ins. So all of us are gonna make our own pint of ice cream. That's one of our Christmas break fun things that I've planned. I got more avocados because I really enjoy eating these, and this bag was still only $2 and some cents. It seems like a really good value, and we're going through them. My kids like avocados, so easy addition. My daughter yesterday was wanting juice. I'm not going to be at Aldi for a couple days, and we don't have any juice, and I just got her grape juice. I also got tortilla chips just because we don't really have plans for them. We're going to have maybe nachos or tacos meals at some point, and we have nacho cheese sauce, so I wanted tortilla chips just because we don't have any on hand and generally like to have them all the time. It was an easy addition to my order. And finally I needed cat litter because we have cats and they go to the bathroom, so that was just an addition since I was doing a pickup. They didn't have what I normally get. But this is my entire grocery haul. If you want to guess the total, I'm about to reveal it, so your chance to guess is in 3, 2, 1. Dun, da, da, da. I do weekly Aldi grocery hauls, but I like to share random different stores. Probably Walmart is my most frequent other than Aldi. If you want to check out a normal grocery haul that I do, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao and ciao.